Hello my dear ethical hackers, welcome back. In the previous video, we saw how reverse IP tool can be used. In this video, we are going to focus on subdomain information gathering. So sometimes subdomains can expose additional attack surfaces. For instance, your subdomain might be running outdated software. Your main domain is well configured, very well protected, but the subdomain just might be misconfigured. The hacker can take advantage of that. Using a subdomain finder tool, we can discover the subdomains so that they can be assessed for various kind of vulnerabilities and the hacker will try to exploit them. What a subdomain finder tool can provide you is it can show you the list of all the subdomains. It can allow you to discover some of the hidden resources, like the less obvious parts of the website. It could be the admin panels, the staging environments, or any of the services that are running in the background. It checks for security assessment and all the components of the domain are checked so that they are tested whether they are vulnerable to the attacks or they are not. So let's jump into Subdomain Finder and see whether we can gather information about a subdomain. So we'll just go and search for Subdomain Finder on Google. The very first website is the one that we are looking for. So here we are. And this is yet another tool that is going to give you exactly the same information as the previous one. So we are going to copy udemy.com and we are going to paste that over here. Let us click on Start Scan. And this should be without the HTTPS. And there you can see it's giving you the details about the scan date, the domain country, the subdomains found. There are 77 subdomains. The most used IP address. So if you attack this one, this is 19 times more used than all the other IP addresses. There are so many IPs associated with this one, but 104.16.142.237 seems to be the most popular one. That is 19 times more popular. You can just click on the download CSV tool, or you can just copy to the clipboard and all the information can be secure over here. So who knows, one of these or many of these just might be the thing that the hacker is looking for. These are the counts of the IPs, and you can see the subdomains without the IPs as well. If you just click on this button and so on and so forth, you can see there is tons and tons of information. This is specifically relating to the subdomain finder, and you can check out any other website. Maybe you want to check out facebook.com and you can scan for the subdomains of facebook.com or any other website like that. And there you can see alpha.facebook, beta.facebook, connect.facebook, and so on and so forth. These are some of the other subdomains of the world's favorite website. And you can see that these are the domains. 281 subdomains are being displayed over here. So that's all for this exercise, guys. See you in the next video where we will learn how we can be footprinting social media.